So if you are using Amazon Fire TV Stick from last few years, there will come a time when the remote will stop working, just like in my case. This happens because you drop the remote every now and then, and over the years some connections loosen up inside it, and it is not repairable, so you might have to buy a new one. But there is a possibility that another generation of Fire TV Stick has launched, and it is better to buy a new one instead of spending money on a separate new remote for the older HDMI TV stick. The best possible option is that you can install an app on your mobile phone, the remote app. It's available for both iOS and Android. And the other good thing you can do is you can try to repair it yourself. It's concealed from all the sides. It's just one unit, and they have used some kind of super glue, so it is not easy to dismantle it or open it. You might have to apply force, just like you can see in the video. I had to apply a lot of force, and it like damaged the outside of remote, which so the remote is not pretty anymore. But I was successfully able to open it, and there are two connections on inside the remote, which connect to the connectors of the batteries, and it powers the remote. So in most of the cases, this portion, the points are displaced. So all you have to do is place them where it should be, and you can align them, and you can like pop it out a little bit so that it touches the battery connectors, and it works. You can put in the batteries and test it out yourself if it's working or not before putting everything else together. So you can use some kind of glue to stick it together, because there are no screws to keep it closed. And once you're done, the remote will not look the same it used to look, so you will have to deal with it. But it is better not to spend money on a remote, and rather buy the second generation of Fire TV Stick or any other HDMI stick that is available out there. It will be better in performance also. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked it, and you can look for more videos on the channel. Thank you.